Good morning. So quick show of hands, how many of you were able to follow the mathematical equations towards the end of Professor Kanabe's talk? Oh, one or two, okay. So welcome to the Business Insights track, otherwise known as people who are not able to follow those equations, right? Which certainly includes myself. I'm hoping to provide an overview of what's going on from a financial perspective in the computer vision, embedded vision sector over the next 20 minutes. My name's Rudy Berger. As Steve said, I run Woodside Capital. We are an M&A advisory firm, typically working with growth stage, as in smaller companies, and I cover the sensing embedded vision sector for Woodside Capital. So let's jump in. What I'm hoping to do over the next 20 minutes is address, even perhaps answer a few questions related to this market. Firstly, how are we segmenting the space? And which ones are going to be the highest growth over the next few years. Looking at the torrent, the flood of venture capital worldwide that has been happening over the last few years into embedded vision companies. Who are the main investors, both corporate and venture, and where is their money going? I'm particularly interested in comparing investment and M&A activity between the US and China. Some pretty interesting trends there. Which segments have seen the most M&A activity, and who are the most active acquirers? And then at some point over the last couple of years, I stopped to ask myself the question, where are all the unicorns in the computer vision, embedded vision space? And there are actually a couple of unicorns. I'll talk about that, but I'll also talk about why I think this sector has not produced more unicorns. And then I'm going to finish up talking in particular about the consumer market and the autonomous vehicle market, automotive market, which are two of the sort of hotter areas at the moment for embedded vision.